Happy Monday, everybody. Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey here, and want to give you an update what we can expect for the rest of the day. Right now, as we're recording this at around 11:30, all is quiet, very warm, pretty humid, and a mixture of sun and clouds. That's going to change as we get pretty close to the evening drive. I think for the most part. The afternoon should be relatively dry. Could see a few isolated storms pop up here and there. This is a look again at radar and satellite with temperatures thrown in there at 11:30. We're at 81 already in Peoria. The storms that we'll be watching very carefully out to the west. Pretty potent cold front. Look at these temperature changes out in Missouri, and then go further to the west. You're seeing 70s and 80s in central Missouri. You go into central Kansas. You're seeing temperatures in the 40s and 50s. That's cooler air that's going to be back behind this cold front. We're not going to be that much cooler, but we are certainly going to notice a change this week. As far as the humidity is concerned, dew points, they're up there. And I always mention that 60 is usually that threshold, and anything above that, you start to feel it. And we got the muglies for sure into the upper 60s and low 70s, so there is plenty of moisture to go around. All right, let's turn all these layers off, and this is the convective outlook for today. The entire viewing area under the slight risk is that yellow here for severe storms, and we can break this down a little bit more. Let's look at the outlook here. Tornado threat is very, very low for this evening. The green indicates 2%. The yellow is 5%. So all around the area, it is very, very low. Hail up to 15%, pretty much west of the river. The green indicates 5%, and area-wide 15% in the yellow for damaging straight line winds. So this isn't going to be a high-end type of severe weather event, but like last night, you're going to have some of these storms that are going to pack a little bit of a punch with some hail and some damaging winds. Let's flip over to the model here, and we'll go hour by hour. Right now, the thinking is we're going to see a lot of this activity start to get going probably late in the afternoon at the earliest, and then probably looking around early evening. So this would be 1 o'clock by this model, maybe showing a few isolated showers here and there. We'll go hour by hour here. This is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And that would be 4, 5, and you're starting to see some activity going here to the west as this cold front now starts to get into the state. This would be 6 o'clock this evening, so we're well into drive time. You can see widespread showers and thunderstorms. And again, we're going to be looking at a few of these that could be on the stronger side. And that would be 7 o'clock this evening, lines right across the heart of our area along the Illinois River Valley. This would be around 8 o'clock this evening, making it to the I-55 corridor, the strongest part of the storms. And then just some lingering showers. I think the strong stuff would be out of here by around 9 or 10 if this model is correct. And we're just left with some lingering rain. So that's the timing that we have right now. So again, we'll keep our eye to the sky. I think we're okay for much of the afternoon. It'll be more so late in the afternoon into the evening where we'll need to just kind of keep an eye on things. Of course, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. I post the warnings there as they come in. And we'll continue to update either via video or we'll put out some images as far as when or if we see the severe weather that rolls through later on today. Otherwise, have a fantastic Monday afternoon, and we will talk to you soon.